YouTube, it's your boy BG the Great. Remember when I told y'all I threw it all away and throwing all those brushes and all that? I'm back, man.
Play
Had
yourself.
to come back, man. All my subscribers, man. And y'all been asking about me when I'm coming back. And I ain't grown, see, look, man, I ain't grown me a little beard and all that. But look, let's here to talk about that, man. We're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about, man, I'm back.
Oh my goodness.
So,
Oh no, hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Hold up, bro. Oh my.
What do I use right after a scalp? You know what I'm saying? Fresh off a scalp. Basically, I don't use natural products. You know, PB Gold Drip Butter. Nah, man. I don't need that joint. 360 Styles, man, or Murray's is what you use. All right. When you got a fresh scalp and you just brushing, not worrying about hair health and, you know, all the flawless connections and all that, you know. Nevertheless, you know, like 360 Jeezy, once you get to that stage, then that's when you
basically when you get flawless, like 360 G's.
Basically, this is more what I'm talking about, natural products, okay? Basically, when you reach the 360 Jeezy status or elite status, you want to use organ oil. Get you some organ oil, okay? You don't want to put this in your hair, man. Once you already at that stage. Nevertheless, you don't need this. Throw that away. You're not worrying about hard brushing, okay? You still have to reach your curl length, okay? From a scalp, you don't have as much as hair on your head, so you don't want to stretch your scalp up, man, all right? So you don't need that. Throw that out of there. So what you do need is a soft brush, or after your 2 weeks, you need a medium brush, okay? You don't need a soft brush, man. OG Diane, it's all beat up, don't worry about that. I had this brush for a year, I know. It's a little scratched up, but nevertheless, it's still OG and it's still usable. Alright. Once again, natural oils, jojoba oil. These are only all oils that work for my hair type, and these are oils that I'm gonna be using once I reach my elite status and back to where I was at, okay? 100% jojoba oil is what you want. Depending on your porosity and what your hair type allows you to, if you have low porosity or high porosity, okay? These are my wave builder products. I still have these. I might be giving these away as a giveaway. Once I reach 500 subscribers or something, I might do a giveaway and give away all my wave builder products that I want. And I want Wave King, pomade, super smooth and rich butter, whatever this is, by Wave Builder. So basically for my crown, since I'm going Beehive, I'm gonna be using these brushes, these long bristle brushes. One is a medium, and I believe one is a hard. Okay, little Annie brushes. These is cool for Beehive wavers. Not for, you could use it on Swerve, but I prefer to use it on the Beehive because of the way the brush is shaped, I want to say. It's good for the crown area, man, to really get up in there and get those angles right, okay? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about in a minute, just a minute. Best way, soft brush. So yeah, man, this is all I'm using since I'm in my beginner stage. I'm not really worried about all natural products, and I'm really not focused on mirror brushing as much because I'm still in the beginner stage, man. So I'm gonna show you what I'm looking like. Let's see. That's from a week ago. Now tomorrow, Friday, will make 2 weeks since I cut my curls off, man. Since I cut the flat top, okay. So this is basically, you could say a scalp or a spot scalp, all right. From 4 months of growing my hair out, okay. So I know it's not much, but I'm rippling it up. So yeah, I know it's not much, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm looking like since I last time I grew my hair out and I cut it off. All right, okay, cut that bull crap off. I'm coming back to the waves, okay. So basically, that's my crown right there, okay. All right, so basically, right here with the tip of this part, you want to use the tip, not the whole brush, okay? You want to use the tip of the brush, and you want to just tap it, okay?
Do the AG method. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Tap, 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 tap.
Method, okay? Tap it. All right. Since I'm going Beehive, all I'm doing is just tapping it around my crown area, okay? I don't want the swirl no more. I don't want the swirl that everybody is trying to get and achieve. You know what I'm saying? I want to try to go back to the Beehive, okay? All right. So, yeah, I know I need a lineup. I'm gonna get a lineup Friday. I know I need a lineup. I'm not really worried about tapers right now, but I will be getting a lineup Friday, okay? I know I need a lineup. I know I'm looking a little rough. All right. But yeah, this is just an update video, just showing you guys where I'm at since I cut the curls off. And yeah, I'm back, man. I know I was talking all that crap, but man, that was nonsense, man. I'm back, man. Okay. 360 gang.